Hi everyone, and hope you enjoyed the Super Bowl and the commercials. We're here at week 3, and I just want to go over some things that I think are quite important. First of all, I did get your assignments from week 2 graded already, so please take a look in your gradebook and go ahead and read the comments, please. This week we're covering Chapter 6. And in the previous weeks, I see that we haven't really got through the discussion questions, and that's going to be a problem. If you're not getting through all the questions, you're not covering all the material. And I can see that those of you who aren't participating as much as you should, your grades are being reflected in your My Math Lab homework and quizzes. So please make sure that you are getting into the discussion, and I want to go over what that includes. Also, we've got 2 study skills this week. The study skills are there to help you. They're not just an added burden to you. They're really there to give you tips on what to do to prepare for the information that you need to learn. And our first exam is coming up pretty soon, so it's highly recommended that you participate in these activities as well. Let's go to the content area, and the first thing I want to look at is under the course information we have syllabus, course schedule, discussion board, rubric. Have you taken a look at that? Let's open it and see what it says. So right here I'm telling you how I am grading these. You need to have an original post, at least one, but I highly recommend more than one because there are more questions that aren't being answered, and the more people that cover several questions, the more we'll get through. You also need to respond. Repeating their classmate's solution or just saying, I got the same thing or good job, 0 points. It doesn't count. It's not valid response. It's nice, but it's not a valid response. What we need you to do is solve the problem a different way or check and verify the solution. This is really key when we're solving an equation. Whenever we have an equation, we come up with an answer. We can plug that answer into the equation and verify that it's correct. If you see a mistake that your classmate has made, make a suggestion or show them how to do something better. And then the person that posted it should then respond to that. And again, our first response or our first post should be by Wednesday. You need to be posting on at least 2 different days, at least by Wednesday and at least by Sunday. But if you wait to those deadlines, you're less likely to get responses. So take a look at this. I want you to realize that we are asking you to do this work for your own good. This is really going to help you, especially if you can explain a problem to someone else. That shows that you really understand it, and it gives you more confidence that you'll be able to work on it and do this on your own as well. So please participate in the discussion. If you're not, you're only hurting yourself. So that's the biggest point I wanted to make this week. If you have any questions, especially in preparing for the next exam or the first exam that we're going to have, let me know. And please go ahead. I only see a study group being organized for the Boulder County campus, and I hope that more of you will get together and work together, get to the math lab, and again, contact me if you have any questions. Good luck this week, and let me know if you need any help.